Come test drive the 2015 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, backup camera, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.